Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Crypto Basics. In this tutorial, we will be learning how to delete Coinbase account before verification. Deleting a Coinbase account that has not been verified fully can still be accomplished, though the process might vary slightly compared to a fully verified account. So here are a few steps you can take. First of all, launch open your Coinbase application from your app drawer. Make sure that you're signed into your account as well. Navigate to the hamburger menu at the top left corner and click on Profile and Settings on the next page. Scroll all the way down until you see the Close Account option and tap on it. Click on I agree, continue to close account in the pop-up at the bottom and follow through the instructions. You may be asked to enter your password and to provide a reason for closing your account. Go ahead and make sure you do and ensure that there are no remaining balance in your account as well. If there are, you'll need to transfer them out before you can close your account. After you follow through the instructions, you will be able to close your Coinbase account even after it has been fully verified. So that's how it's easily done. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.